Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. By hand, unscrew the 2 plastic screws which hold the cover under the glove box in place and remove it. Take the flange on the cabin filter and slide it to the right so you can remove it. Then pull on the cabin filter to take it out.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new filter in, paying close attention so that it's inserted the right way up with a cut part on the side of the door. Replace the flange. Place it flat against the box of the cabin filter and fix it in place, sliding it to the left. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on, screwing the 2 plastic screws by hand. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.